Hi guys, I am Saurav Kumar, your makeup expert, and welcome to VOGUE. Everyone is uploading their picture using photo filter, but today I am going to show you absolutely natural makeup without photo filter. A very important tip from my end: always do eye makeup first before do base. So let's start with the eye makeup. Once your eye makeup complete, now we could use concealer. Now I am using a peach concealer for reddish and darker area. And any darker skin. Next I am using a very subtle and light foundation. Now I am using Bobbi Brown. Now I am using a beauty blender and blend the foundation. Always match your skin with your body. The next step I am using Inglot loose powder. This is a translucent powder. For baking I am using baking powder always is good for the camera, high definition, cover page and magazine. It's the wonderful result for oily and normal skin. The next step I am using powder brush and dust out the powder. Next step I am using highlighter. Top of the cheek, center of the nose, forehead and chin. The next step, outer contouring. So take any darker blusher. Now I am using a brown color. If you have very sharp jawline area and small nose, do not attempt the contouring. The next step I am using lip color from MAC Mirror. This is amazing color. Now you can see no filter look. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, share, like and subscribe.